Mm-hmm.
I don't even know what was wrong with him really, other than
It's okay.
something with his arm. The people we picked up from,
Mm-hmm.
the Red Cross ones,
Mm-hmm.
when they said that guy needed pain medication,
Mm-hmm.
I thought she wanted to give it on her ambulance, but she said that she's not a medic and she can't give
Mm-hmm.
medicine. And I was like,
Just first ID, yeah?
yeah,
First ID.
I guess.
Yeah,
I was
because
like-
if she don't know about medications, just the basic.
I was like, well, that's what in America. That's what I am. I just know enough about medications to
Mm-hmm.
give him something. But I like if it were like Ashley or somebody, they probably would have given him like morphine or something stronger than what I gave him. And when I gave him the shot in his arm, his skin was like tougher than I thought.
Mm-hmm.
So when I went to stab it in, it didn't go. So I had to like shove the needle in, and I was making this guy worse. I mean, not really, but.
Yeah, this the Pavlograd hospital have not serious patients, and next time we can ask if we drop like two guys or one guy.
Yeah, that's what
Reduce
Ursula
that.
says.
Yeah. No, but we can ask. We can ask because there's waiting for
Mhm.
patients live there for get more place for new
Yeah.
patients.
I can't believe that guy with the amputated foot. He had to. I couldn't tell if it was him or or somebody.
How long time he get amputated?
I tried to ask him in the translator, and he didn't tell me how long ago, but he told me.
He look like a dog, yeah? The dog. He look like the dog. He never stop.
But he did it himself, or one of his friends did it with a hatchet. Like he had to cut his own foot off. And then
Maybe he happy because he don't go more to trench, to front line. He don't need work more.
yeah, God, that. No, he stepped on a cluster munition. It was underneath, like the.
And
leaves
if-
stuff.
And if he do this thing because he wants this situation,
I don't think that's what happened, but
Oh.
I'm sure somebody has done it. You know, he stepped on a like a little bomblet
Mm-hmm.
cluster munitions, and his foot was a mess. It wasn't a foot anymore, so he said he or one of his people with him just cut the bone, and
Mm-hmm. I understand.
he had surgery in Slavyansk.
In Sloviansk?
Yeah.
Maybe you want to be amputated.
Oh, jeez. I don't remember that.
Hmm? So we can go in Antibes first? Oh, was that the hut first?
Want to go to Bezalta Hata first, in case we get another mission.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I don't know if you'll get more mission today.
Robert said it's been busy.
Hmm?
Robert said it's been busy.
Probably. Probably. We
Like,
got.
problem?
Yeah. Probably. I don't know.
Probably.
Yeah. We get more missions. You say
Yeah,
this?
I think there's a high possibility that we'll get more missions. But can't believe that guy cut his own foot off.